Hello, my dear students. Lecture number 17 for Standard 12, Part 2, Chapter number 1, Differentiation. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some example from exercise 1.2, question number 7, 1. Differentiate the following with respect to x. Cot inverse cot e raised to x square. Solution. Let y is equal to cot inverse cot e raised to x square. So is equal to y is equal to e raised to x square. Differentiate with respect to x. And therefore dy dx is equal to d dx e raised to x square is equal to e raised to x square, and derivative of x square, that is equal to e raised to x square into 2x, and hence dy dx is equal to 2x e raised to x square. Okay. Question number 2. Cosec inverse 1 upon cos phi raised to x. So solution, let y is equal to cosec inverse 1 upon cos phi raised to x. So is equal to cosec inverse, this is 1 upon cos, so this is sec phi raised to x. Now differentiate with respect to x. Dy dx is equal to d dx cos inverse, cosec inverse cosec pi by 2 minus this sec you convert into cosec pi by 2 minus phi x, and therefore derivative this is equal to d dx means y is equal to pi by 2 minus phi raised to x, and therefore dy dx is equal to 0 minus phi raised to x into log phi, and therefore dy dx is equal to minus phi raised to x log phi. Okay. Question number 3. Cos inverse root 1 plus cos x upon 2. Solution, let y is equal to cos inverse root 1 plus cos x upon 2 is equal to cos inverse, this you simplify, root 1 plus cos x is equal to 2 cos square x upon 2 upon 2, this 2 and this 2 get cancelled, and this root is also omitted. So therefore y is equal to cos inverse cos x upon 2, and therefore y is equal to x upon 2. Differentiate with respect to x. Dy dx is equal to d dx x upon 2, and that is equal to 1 upon 2. Question number 4. Cos inverse root 1 minus cos x square upon 2. So let y is equal to cos inverse root 1 minus cos x square upon 2. So y is equal to cos inverse root, now 1 minus cos x is equal to, use formula, 2 sin square x upon 2 and is equal to cos inverse sin x square upon 2. Okay, and therefore cos inverse y is equal to cos inverse cos, this sign you convert into cos pi by 2 minus x square upon 2, and therefore y is equal to pi by 2 minus x square upon 2. Differentiate with respect to x. Dy dx is equal to, derivative of pi upon 2 is 0 minus 1 upon 2 d dx x square, and is equal to minus 1 upon 2 derivative of x square is equal to 2x, this 2 and this 2 get cancelled, and is equal to minus x. Question number 5. Tan inverse 1 minus tan x upon 2 upon 1 plus tan x upon 2. So solution, let y is equal to tan inverse 1 minus tan x upon 2 upon 1 plus tan x upon 2. So this you simplify. So there is that is equal to tan inverse. For 1 you substitute tan pi by 4. So tan pi by 4 minus tan x upon 2 plus upon 1 plus here tan x upon 2, but 1 is here. So for that one you substitute tan pi by 4. So that is equal to pi by 4 into tan x upon 2, and this is equal to tan pi by 4 minus x upon 2. So y is equal to tan inverse tan pi by 4 minus x upon 2. Okay. Now therefore y is equal to tan inverse tan pi by 4 minus x upon 2 is equal to pi by 4 minus x upon 2. Now this you differentiate with respect to x. Dy dx is equal to d dx pi by 4 minus x upon 2 is equal to 0 minus 1 upon 2. Okay. Question number 6. Cosec inverse 1 upon, now this type of examples are important. 4 cos cube 2x minus 3 cos 2x. Solution, let y is equal to cosec inverse 1 upon 4 cos cube 2x minus 3 cos 2x. So this is equal to y is equal to cosec inverse, this is cos 3 2x. So that is cosec, this you make sec 6x, and therefore y is equal to cosec inverse cosec pi by 2. This sec you convert into cosec pi by 2 minus 6x, and therefore y is equal to pi by 2 minus 6. Okay, differentiate with respect to x. Dy dx is equal to d dx pi by 2 minus 6x, and therefore derivative of pi by 2 is equal to 0, and therefore dy dx is equal to minus 6. Question number 7. Tan inverse 1 plus cos x upon 3 into upon sin x upon 3. So simplification of this is important. Solution, let y is equal to tan inverse 1 plus cos x upon 3 upon sin x upon 3. So is equal to y, no, y is equal to tan inverse, this is equal to 2 cos square x upon 6, that is 2x upon 3. So 6, and this is equal to 2 sin x upon 6 into cos x upon 6. So therefore this 2 and this 2 get cancelled, 1 cos is cancelled, and is equal to tan inverse cot x upon 6. Then this cot you convert. So y is equal to tan inverse tan pi by 2 minus x upon 6 is equal to pi by 2 minus x upon 6. And now this you differentiate with respect to x. Dy dx is equal to d dx pi minus 1 upon 6 d dx x. So is equal to 0 minus 1 upon 6. Okay. Question number 8. Cot inverse sin 3x upon 1 plus cos 3x. Let y is equal to cot inverse sin 3x upon 1 plus cos 3x. So is equal to cot inverse this you convert into 2 sine 3 upon 2x into cos 3x upon 2 upon this is equal to 2 cos square 3 upon 2x, and therefore y is equal to cot inverse tan 3x upon 2, and again this tan you convert into cot, so cot inverse cot pi by 2 minus 3x upon 2, and therefore y is equal to pi by 2 minus 3x upon 2 differentiate with respect to x, dy dx is equal to d dx pi by 2 minus 3 upon 2 d dx x, and therefore dy dx is equal to minus 3 upon 2. Okay, now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear students, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comments if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.